Is your Nissan Sentra's alarm randomly activating? Here's how to pinpoint the cause. First, consider the key fob battery. A weak battery below 2.5 volts can cause intermittent signals, triggering false alarms. Replace it. They're inexpensive. Next, inspect the door switches. These detect when a door is opened. Corrosion, misalignment, or wiring issues can cause false signals. Finally, check the hood latch sensor, a plunger switch under the hood. If it's worn or misaligned from vibrations, it can trigger the alarm. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM codes, like B tells in 10 for door sensor faults, to help narrow down the problem. Remember, these systems operate on a closed-loop circuit, so any break signals intrusion. Once you've identified the culprit, here are some fixes. If it's the key fob, replace the battery to restore strong signals and prevent intermittent arming issues. For door switches, inspect for corrosion and clean the contacts. If the switch is faulty, replacement switches cost between $20 and $50. The hood latch may need adjustment or lubrication to ensure it properly engages and doesn't trigger false alarms. You can also try resetting the body control module by disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes and then reconnecting it. This often resolves software glitches. Some newer models from 2013 to 2024 may be eligible for a free BCM reprogramming under Nissan's Technical Service Bulletin NTB 25-001. For preventive maintenance, clean contacts and lubricate latches every 50,000 miles to prevent future issues. If problems persist, consider a dealership or qualified mechanic, especially for BCM-related issues which may require Nissan Consult software.